There's the baby daw, baby damulag. Baby damulag yan. Tiny buds. Ito yan. Paano mo kayo sa?
Nasaan yung tiny buds sa?
Ah, it's recording pala.
Sa... 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Huwag mong anuhin, yugyugin. Masasanay yan.
Alam mo, talagang pagod na pagod, puyat na puyat. Daddy lang naman ang daddy yan sa akin.
Daddy, oh, get the lollipop. Daddy, oh. Smile first. Pasmilin mo si Lexi.
Lexi, smile. I will get it.
Oh. When you're done with your Taekwondo class, you can play with him. Why is your face na naman like that? Tayo ay papunta sa check-up namin ni baby sa The Medical City. Ito yung unang beses na lalabas kami since nung nanganak ako. Good job. Good job, love.
I'm teacher Lexi. Good job, my little one.
Ay, he's smiling, he's smiling.
Tumawa.
Tumawa siya.
Not on the face, ha? Not on the face.
Yay! That's your baby brother. Hi, baby brother. Baby brother.
Just touch that.
So small, oh. Look, oh. Your baby is so small.
So small.
Yes. Hello.
I love you. I love you, baby brother. I do it for
May remix ba?
you and for me.
Oh.
And you play with me here.
Oh.
And you sit down with me.
Yes.
Help each other, build each other. I will make it you and me. Picture with I love you and me. We are the children. Picture baby.
Yay! Nakagawa na siya ng kanta. Oh! You love your baby brother? Hey. Hello, ate. Hello. Smile naman yung baby namin na yun. Ang pogi-pogi naman yung baby boy na yun.
Nakatingin siya sa iyo.
Hello. Hello. Ay, sus! Ay, nakatingin na.
So cute.
Ang pogi naman yun. Ang pogi-pogi niyan.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
You have to close your eyes. Close. Baby Dragon has a surprise for you. Yay! Yay! Real baby. There's the baby daw, baby damulag. Baby damulag yan. You're so big na ha. Kalahati mo na nga si daddy eh.
Morning, baby. Pang-araw na. Ay! Ay!
Pero pwede naman yung sa tiny buds. Ito yan. Paano mo kayo sa?
Nasaan yung tiny buds sa? Ah, it's recording pala.
Happy birthday.
Wait, don't step on that.
Yan, pagbalik
Can I
natin.
sleep in the
Oh, she's bait
Can
naman.
I sleep in
Let's
the
go outside.
Daddy naman.
I will talk to her. Wait only. Okay, look at me. Later you will play with baby dragon. Look
Can
at...
I sleep with my mommy?
No.
You will sleep with your daddy. I will take
I want to sleep with my
No.
Oh, with your ate na lang.
No,
Oh, sige.
no, no.
With your ate.
Bye guys, happy sleeping. Bye-bye. Kami ni baby dito lang sa baba. Ang daming masarap na food. Yay, deserve ko daw to dahil sa bonggang pag-ire. Thank you so much, Mommy Raytan. See you soon. Lexi, this one is for you because you're my favorite baby. She's my favorite baby. Why you have so much rice? You have so much rice on your mouth.
I so much alive. Thank you, very generic.
One more time.
Thank you, very generic.
Rhea Generics.
Rhea generic.
Thank you.
Thank you, the Rhea generic.
So, ito inaaral natin yung aking bagong pump. So cute. This is from Super Mama. Hands-free siya. Ayan. Double air plus wearable breast pump. It's all here. Tapos nandun si Sarah, hinuhugasan niya na yung mga parts. Ayun naman si Mike, fini-figure out niya kung paano ito paganahin. But so far, na-figure out ko na siya kung paano siya gamitin. Meron lang ilang modes na kailangan kong kabisaduhin dahil meron din siyang remote. So, abisuhan ko kayo kung super duper okay siya, gagamitin ko na siya. Ano mas mahirap ayusin? Yan or yung motor? Ha?
Mas mahirap to.
So, pwede ko lakasan. Anong max? Nasa massage ka pa rin yata.
Hindi, ayan, automatic. Oh.
Nag-automatic ka na
Pagka
lang.
gusto mo yung massage ka na, dito, papindutin mo yung M. Day 2 pa araw. Kay baby. Sarap yan. Sunbathing. Other way. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 1. Okay. 2. Good. 3. 4. 5. Oh, last one shot na. Go. Okay. Swing. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way. 8, 7, 6, 5, 10, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 5. Okay. Sedikit first. Sedikit. 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 Okay, clap for Savannah. Good job. Good job. 5. Now, change foot. Ready. Ready. 1. 2. Up, that one. Stretch. Up it. Stretching na agad. Stretching na agad. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 8, 7.
You guys are back? What did you do? Where did you go?
Baby dragon.
Oh no!
Oh, you're
Say hello. Oh, you have to wash your hand first. You have to wash your hand. Go.
Your hands is dirty pa.
Bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. Jumping in the sky.
Nag-taekwondo pa yan Hindi pa rin ubos energy niya. Oh.
Bounce, bounce.
Lexi, paano yung taekwondo? What did... Oh, wow! One more time. Paano? Oh. Aba, ang galing talaga. Oh. Huwag mong anuhin, yugyugin. Masasanay yan. Huwag mo isasayaw. Masasanay yan. Sit down ka lang. There, oh. Upo ka lang dyan. Lexi, look at ate, oh. Ayan, manggugulo na siya. Manggugulo na siya sa'yo. Huh. Wala kaming magawa ni Sab. May make-upan niya ako. Dahil tulog si Namay, tulog din si Baby, tulog si Lexi. Galing sa ano ko yun. Laki na mukha ko. Ano naman? Yung totoo. Ang laki yun.
Few moments later.
Pa, ito daw ang ating final look. Parang wala naman na bago. Pretty pa rin. So, ito yung first item natin, mga moms. This is called the Double Air Plus Wearable Breast Pump. Nagamit ko na siya, nabuksan ko na rin to. Actually, ito na yung mga parts niya. Kasi, nasubukan ko na siya ng 1 day. Pero gagamitin ko muna siya for a week bago ko siya i-review. So, ayan siya. Plus, it comes with a remote. Okay, saka ko na sasabihin sa inyo kung gaano siya kabongga, kung gaano ko siya nagustuhan. But so far, 1 day pa lang of using it, I must say, I'm loving it. Yung full review, I will upload it very, very soon. Meron din tayong portable baby brush set. I haven't opened it yet, pero ang ganda rin kasi ng reviews nito. Mini brush set lang siya na pwede nating dalhin every time we travel with our little ones. We also have the portable milk brewer. So, ito, may night light. Maganda daw ang grip nito. And maganda rin to pang travel. Kasi kung gusto nyo ng mainit, yung dededehin ni baby or even just hot water if you need one. Bongga daw tong portable milk brewer. And hindi lang milk yung pwede init dito, even water. And of course, last but definitely not the least is this Super Mama UV Sterilizer. Oh, ayan o. Let's see. Wow! That's where we put your bottle so that malinis siya, baby. Wow. Look at what's inside. There's a light. So, ayan, pwede kayong maglagay dyan ng bottles, ng mga laruan. Breast pump ko, nandyan din. Yung mga pump ko. Lahat. Super luwag niya sa loob. And after nyo sterilize, pwedeng dyan nyo na rin store yan. Sobrang ganda. Bumagay siya sa kitchen namin.
Ganda.
Ganda, sabi ni Lexi. Lexi, is it ganda?
Yeah.
It's ganda.
It's open and close.
Oh, Lexi, it's not a toy!
Alam mo, nasan?
Nasaan?
This is for you, mommy.
What is that? What is that? Yung nakabili ng Hilux, bumalik. Tapos, ano inabot niya?
Yung wedding ring.
Ah, sabi ko na galing. Ano? Wedding ring na nawala na niya. Nagbabalik. Nagbabalik. Ako na magtatabi nito, love. Wow! Wow! Bibingka for mommy. Saan daw nila nakita to?
Doon daw sa cambio. May kumakalso daw.
Oh, saan cambio? Paano yun? Nasa loob ng cambio?
Oo.
Oh, tapos ano ginawa?
daw doon.
Ikaw kahit kailan ka talaga. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, what is that? That's the wedding ring of your daddy. Kanina lang pinag-uusapan natin sa lunch, 'di ba? Naalala mo? Goosebumps, nakita. Nagbabalik. Ito oh, nasa gitna. Oh, nagbabalik. Hindi ko napapasuot sa kanya para hindi niya na mawala.
Look here. 1, 2. Here. 1, 2. Good job, my love.
Naku, may dumating. Opak. Diyos ko. Pinakamayaman sa lahat. Ito na siya, oh. Ayan na naman siya.
Labas ang alak.
Labas ang Jack D.
Tulog pa rin kahit nagpapaaraw. Hala, sige. Kala mo talagang pagod na pagod, puyat na puyat. Daddy lang naman ang daddy yan sa akin.
Good morning, Lexi.
Good morning.
Do you love me?
Yeah.
Can you kiss me good morning? Kiss mommy good morning.
Aww.
I love you. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
You say tahan na, baby ko.
Are you kicking me?
Oh, say tahan na, baby ko. Oh, where's Kinder Joy daw? Where's Kinder Joy? That is so yummy. Oh, she likes it so much. Pak, sino kayo dyan? Oh.
Hindi naman siya kita. Akin na nga sa cellphone naman. Hey, where's your mommy?
Oh, come here. Oh, yung anak mo naman, Sisi. Ayun o. Oh, ayun o. Oh.
Paano ba ito ipa-burp, sis? Hindi ako marunong makakata.
Lo. Ayun yung anak mo. Laki na, di ka marunong magpa-burp. Ah, there. How about, Caleb, there in the middle. With baby dragon. Ready to smile, guys? Are you ready? Okay, let's do it. You go there, you go there. Daddy. Daddy, get the lollipop. Daddy,
Mabilis mo na!
si Lexi kasi tingnan mo. Game 1, 2. Smile first. Pasmilin mo si Lexi.
Lexi, smile. I will get it.
Daddy,
Lexi, smile here.
Eto na. Magsusumbong kay mama. Ayun, And then you say, good morning, baby brother.
Good morning, baby brother.
At is going to taekwondo class. You wait for her later.
I don't like to go.
Patay kay daddy. You just want to play with your baby brother here.
Yeah.
Later.
Hello.
Later when you're done with your taekwondo class, you can play with him. Why's your face na naman like that? Saan ba punta nyo? Ba't inaayos nyo yan? Ha? Bawal pa mag-mall si baby. Kailangan naka-stroller sa ospital? Pwede ko buhatin, love. Oh, ipaghandaan nyo yan. Favorite nyong apo / senyorita. Anong oras na gumising? Mag-aalas 11. O, kita mo si Mama Te sa labas, oh. Busy sa pagluluto. Oh. Oh, ayun, oh. Baka susubuan ka pa ni Papa. Susubuan ka pa?
Upa ng bahay na sa kanya lahat.
Ano ba yun? Bago pa makarating sa akin yung upa, may tax na, mother. Huwag kang May tax sa'yo.
Napakaswerte ng mga batang ito. Nasa kanila lahat ng upa ng bahay. Bawi-bawi mo na raw yung palengke market hanggang ngayon.
Lullaby and good night.
Bakit biglang nagalit? Ha? Ano ba yun? You have to finish your song for your baby
I
brother.
don't like to finish.
Why? Okay. You have to finish the song. Because if you don't finish it, okay, you cannot play with baby brother. Are you daddy's PA assistant?
Baho.
Why? Baby dragon poop?
Yeah, baho.
Lexi, your popo is more baho than him nga.
Ay, bago.
Lexi, sing a song to your baby brother so that he'll not cry.
Lullaby.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Para kung ni Rory na. Pag malaki-laki na yan, sali na yung bayag. Malaki yung gaganunin mo. Tapos gaganon mo sa bayag niya.
Para
liliit, gaganon mo. Di ba ganon mo yung palad mo? O, tinan mo kainit.
Alright guys, basa-basa pa tayo. Pawis tayo agad. Yung kaliligo mo lang pero pawis ka na naman. Anyway, this is day pang ilan na ba? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6th day after giving birth. This is my postpartum body. As you can see, medyo malaki pa yung ating tiyan. Pero mas umimpis na siya compared to the last few days. My arms, it's giving mama vibes talaga. Ayan, pag in-inhale ko siya, ito yung itsura niya. Pero pag exhale, yan yung normal. So, hindi naman ako nagmamadali to get back in shape because I know hindi rin naman basta-basta tayo bumabalik sa shape natin after mga anak. Of course, kabisado ko na yan after 2 kids. It's just that, nung first time ako nag-give birth kay Sab, ang bilis ko talaga bumalik. As in, parang walang nangyari. Of course, I'm still young way back then. 21 years old lang ako noon. Kay Lexi, natagalan bago ako bumalik in shape. Parang it took me a year para masabi ko na okay na ako sa katawan na ito. Pero, this is my 3rd child. Okay lang, kalma lang tayo na hindi mo na makabalik in shape. Kasi alam naman natin pag may edad, mas mahirap tayo bumalik sa kung paano tayo dati. At tanggap ko na rin naman na kung paano ako before nung bago magkaanak, hindi na talaga magiging ganon ang ating one kata. Lalo pa ngayon na nagbe-breastfeed ako, hindi naman ako pwede mag-diet. Kasi pag nag-diet ako, ano na lang nutrition makukuha ng anak ko. For some mommies, pag nagbe-breastfeed sila, mabilis sila pumapayat. But in my case with Lexi, mas tumaba ako nung nag-breastfeed ako. So, let's see what's gonna happen now. Ngayon na breastfeeding ulit tayo kay Baby Dragon. Hello guys! So, today is June 11. At tayo ay papunta sa check-up namin ni Baby sa The Medical City. Ito yung unang beses na lalabas kami since nung nanganak ako. So, first labas din to ni Baby ng bahay. Well, actually, hindi naman talaga kami labas-labas like pasyal kasi after ng check-up namin, uuwi rin kami agad. Kasi masyado pa siyang bata. For me ha, para ilabas-labas. So, siguro bago ko siya ipasyal, antayin ko muna siya maka-isang buwan. Bago natin siya i-mall at irampa kung saan-saan. But anyway, excited ako makita ulit yung mga doctors namin, yung OB, and of course, yung pedia, yung sumalo kay Lexi. I'm sorry, Lexi tuloy. Sanay pa rin ako ng baby namin, si Lexi lang. Yung sumalo kay Baby Dragon nung nanganak ako, si Doktora. Na hindi ko kabisado yung pangalan, nakakahiya ako. Ayan, nakakahiya naman kay Doc. Kaya talagang hinanap ko talaga, Doktora Adan. Sorry po, Doc, na epidural po ng bongga. Kaya po, makakalimutin na ng todo si Ma'am si Chacha. If you wanna see kung ano ang magiging result ng check-up namin today, keep on watching this video. Kasi dito ko malalaman kung kailan ako exactly makakapasok or makakabalik sa work. And syempre, papacheck natin si Baby just to see kung ano ba, nadagdagan yung weight niya or kung ano nangyari a week after I give birth. At kung hinahanap nyo ang aking mini milk monster, andito siya, ayan. Ayan siya guys, busy siya sa pag-ubos sa laman ng aking Daddy Bells. So kanina pa siya nagde-daddy dyan, tahimik na tahimik lang si Baby. And hopefully hanggang makauwi kami, hindi siya magtupak or umiyak. In all fairness naman dito sa batang to, napakabait naman talaga ni Baby Saint. Diba? Ano ba talagang palayo ng anak natin? Saint, Santi, Mikael, Kael, Mikmik, ang dami. Hindi pa kami settled lahat kung anong magiging palayo ni Baby. Santiago na lang muna for the meantime. But anyway, mabait siya. Hindi niya kami pinahihirapan masyado. Hindi siya katulad ni Lexi na super iyakin. Ha? Ilan na?
2.72.
Kasi nung huli namin bago kami umalis 2.5? 2.5?
Ngayon lumaki, Dok.
2.4 na eh, no love? 2.7 na siya.
Masiba.
Tama yun, okay lang yun.
Okay, kaya na. Okay,
Ano yata? Gatas yung nasa ilalim, Dok?
Ito?
Oo.
Hindi
Gatas po yan. May nagbabalad dyan. Okay po. Ayun, oo nga. Nakita mo agad yun, Dok, ha?
Nasipat ko yun. Ay, sleepy. Pero gutom.
Nagutom.
na kasi eh.
Pero kakadede lang niya.
Ganun talaga.
Ang lakas ka.
Ganun talaga pag nag-poop, nag-wiwi. May
Tapos,
space na ulit.
Ang sakit.
So, gutom na ulit.
Ang sakit.
Kala ko, Dok, every 2 hours eh.
Oo.
Grabe
Pero
po.
may pwede. Good job.
Good job, love. It's okay po. Actually nga, ma-pink siya, hindi siya
Ma-pink?
very, oo.
So, okay lang yun.
Okay
no?
lang.
Ayaw natin ng may yellow.
Ayaw natin ng may yellow.
Oo, hindi natin gusto yung may yellow.
How should I tell you, love?
Tiago na lang. Tiago.
Tiago!
Para lalaking lalaki.
Oo.
Tiago, ewan ko na lang.
And then, this is the list of the immunization that you will receive soon. Some milestones that you may want to monitor. So, at birth, to 2 months, ito lang naman. Actually, right now, wala talaga.
Natawa ko sa wala.
Ngayon, wala pa masyado. Pero you can browse through it. Ano lang, so, ang cut-off niya before mag-3, preferably magawa na yan. So, my notes. So, well, baby naman si baby. Nag-gain na nga siya eh. Expected weight gain is around 120 to 200 grams a week lang. So, siya very, very good. So, I recommend for you to continue the milk feeding on demand, approximately about 10 to 12 times a day. Burp well after each feeding. Continue to expose him to the morning sun before 9 a.m. Preferably undressed.
30 minutes.
30 minutes to an hour kung kaya.
Okay,
good.
mangingitim, Dok. Ano?
Pag nangitim, pwede naman pumuti.
Nakakalo. Yun talaga ang concern niya. Yun ang concern niya,
Alam
Dok.
mo, puti, no?
Oo. Hindi magiging mistiso yung anak mo, lang mistiso sa atin.
Okay.
Oo.
Pwede naman i-gluta.
Oo. Hindi na yung papasok.
Hindi.
Sakit? Hindi. Good. Okay. Wala. Oh, good. Pati dito, walang masakit, no? Wala naman, Dok. Okay, good. Done.
Ang ulo, anak ha, ulo.
Ay, sus. Ay, sus. Ay, sus.
One more.
Ay, sus. Ay, sus. Ay, sus.
Mainit. Dami talaga.
Ay, sus.
Ay, me and ang sub na lang. We'll play outside. Subway for Lola.
Okay, baby. You want dede?
Okay. I will wait for...
Show them what you're made of. Come on. The other side naman. So that they can see your face. Ay, sus! Ayaw na ng tummy time niyan. Dede ang gusto niyan. Oh. Dede ang gusto ng baby. Ay, sus! Ginakain na naman yung kanyang mittens. Oh, nasa labas ang mga ate. Naglalakwat siya. Kami lang ng baby ang magkasama. Ay, sus. So pogi naman ng baby na yan. Okay, dede na tayo.
3,000 whoop-whoos later.
Jesus, takaw naman yung baby love ko. Ang takaw naman yan. You're a milk monster. So, takaw, ha? Dapat ang kain mo every 2 hours eh. Bakit naging every ano ka na lang? 30 minutes. Every 30 minutes you're hungry. You want mommy's milk. Why? Why, baby?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. That's it. 3, 2, 1. Wala, umupo talaga. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. Center, slowly. Overtake na lang kay ano na kay Jesse. Mag-i-push dito kayo from the outside kayo mag-overtake. Okay, 1 to 8, 8 to 1. Okay, ready? shout. Select sila muna shout. Out. Ready? Again. 1. Out. Okay. You land in front. Labas na harap. Labas na harap. Okay. Ready? Stance. 1. Okay. Go back. 2. Let's see. Ready? Again. Ready? Go back. And go. That's it. Ready? And 4. 5. Good. Good shout. Ready? 6. Go back. Ready? And ready. I see. Push back. Your front feet. Go. 1. Again. Ready? 2. Okay. Higher. Ready? 3. That's it. 4. Good. 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 Just like that. Ready? And go. 4. Tulak si coach. Push coach. Ready? 5. That's the target. 5. Good. That's it.
Nasa ano ka? Ate era. Nasa ate era ka.
Ito nasa Ron era.
Tayo ay nasa tahimik era sa bahay dahil wala si Lexi, walang makulit. So peaceful again.
Kaya mo lang siya kapag hindi siya dumugod. Ibig sabihin, naabangan niya na yung patak.
Pero ang bilis niya maubos.
Oo, maubos yan.
Alam niyo kung bakit siya ganon? Yung sa dede ko kasi, pumapata kahit hindi niya supsupin ng sobra. Tapos nagbaburst yun eh. Gumaganon yun, oh.
Yak, ma'am, kadiri na.
Ano kadiri doon? Eh, dumedi ka rin ng ganon. Come here, my love. Can you kiss me? Please kiss me. I miss you. I miss you. Please. Sige. Daddy, I'll go na ha. I'll go to the hospital again with baby dragon and I will not go home na. Okay?
Oh no!
Ay, ito nga.
Sa inyo ba yan? Sa inyo yan, be? Beauty derm ko yan ah. Ano, nandyan na yung favorite mong panlagay sa ano mo?
Oo.
Yung panlagay mo sa kilikili. Nasaan? Kayong dalawa ni Sab, no? Try ko rin yan. Sabi mo pwede rin. No, that's mine.
This is what I use, guys. This is what I use.
This is mine. That's yours, oh.
Ano yan? Ay, may tao po sa loob. Walang ginawa kundi magdede hindi every 2 hours, every hour, sometimes every 30 minutes. Sabi nila nakakapayat daw po ang pagpapadede. So, let's wait and see kung totoo siya. Kasi, pumayat na ba ako?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so happy!
Payatlet.
Dito na po sila. Nakarating po sila ng Matiwasay.
Thank you po sa, sa ayuda.
Sa ayuda.
Jesus, namumula naman yan. Bakit namumula yan? Uy, gising ka na. Magpapaaraw na kayo ni Daddy. Gising ka na, ma'am. Ang asim ng tayo mo.
Kabalot parang dapat 15 minutes na.
Oo, wag na sobra. Tama na yun. Or 10 minutes nga eh, okay na. Masyado mainit. Uy, sus, you want to dede also in mommy's dede? You want mommy's milk?
No!
Or you want the cow's milk?
I don't take both.
You don't, oh wow! You don't like both?
Yeah.
Why? Because?
Because I'm a big girl.
Wow! You're a big girl! Lexi, I'm gonna ask you again. Are you sure you don't like dede?
No.
Mommy's dede, like baby dragon.
Loko mo ako.
No, I don't loko you. How about cow's milk?
No.
You want cow's milk?
I don't like both.
Why? You're still my baby. You.
Oh no!
Why are you crying? I just said you're my baby.
You're not.
You are still a baby.
I'm not.
Lexi, you know what you are? You are baby damulag.
Baby Kashita.
Baby damulag si Lexi.
No.
Okay. Baby damulag ko si Lexi. Hello, baby damulag. Nagkakalat ka ulit, baby damulag?
No.
Lexi, can you help mommy? Bring the diaper of baby dragon.
Okay.
You are my assistant. Can you bring all that stuff here? Okay, mommy. Thank you, baby ko. Lexi, come on. Give me the baby wipes.
Give the baby wipes to
Can you give the baby wipes to mommy? Very good. Come here beside. Oh, look. This is baby dragon's tutoy. You see that? They don't have that one because you're a girl, right? Lexi, we should put na the diaper. Huh? Are you still wearing diaper? Oh, you're not? You're big na? Okay. Lexi, bring me the cream of baby dragon. Yeah, come here, come here.
Give it to mommy.
Can you bring me the alcohol also, baby?
Give this to mommy.
Okay, thank you, my baby. Can you put it back? Thank you so much. Now we're gonna put the diaper like this. Look, let's see. So that when mommy's not here, you'll do this, ah. You'll do this to baby dragon, ah.
Every time na palitan na.
Para lang, parang lang matulog. Iwasan lang namin. Oh, look, Lexi, also on the puwet-puwet of baby. You put like that. And then, you fold it like this, baby. Like that. But not too tight, ah, Lexi, ah. Like this only. What is that song?
It's like Nopsta.
What's
It's like
Nopsta?
Peppa song.
What is that?
It's like Peppa song.
Oh, it's a Peppa song.
Look at that.
Ah, North Star. It's not Nopsta. North Star. Can you say it? Lexi, it's North Star. Lexi, North Star. Hala, sige. Cookie. Are you a cookie monster? You're a cookie monster. Kaya pala you don't like milk na, ha?
Where have you been?
I've been at the court.
Court? You want to go there again?
Yay!
How about you? You don't get any exercise, ha?
Go with Ate later in the court, Lexi.
I don't like.
Why? You walk with Ate later.
Like.
Oh, you tell me why. You tell me why you don't like to go out.
You don't want to play volleyball?
No.
Why?
I'm still little.
Oh, so what do you want to play?
I want to play just. I will just play this little picture.
You don't want to go outside?
You don't like.
Lexi. Lexi. Don't sit there, magigibayan.
How about this?
Okay, there. You can sit there.
I'm teacher Lexi.
Daddy, it's teacher Lexi daw.
So welcome to Lexi's playroom.
Oh.
And let's get you a book.
A book?
A box.
A book?
This is for Ate, and this is for Daddy,
Thank you.
and this is for Mommy.
Thank you so much, Teacher Lexi.
What are we gonna do with this?
And you write letter W.
Oh, you write letter W, guys.
3, 4.
Okay.
Let Daddy.
Thank you, teacher.
I also wrote it!
Good job, Ate.
Me also, I wrote W here. Another W I will write.
But it's so small.
Great job.
Thank you so
Okay,
much,
another
Teacher
one.
Lexi.
Let's write big letter A.
Okay,
Big letter A.
Paano ikaw? Teacher, how?
How to write?
1, 2,
I'm done!
Very good. I'm also done.
Oh, good job, my little one.
Oh, how about this one?
How about letter N?
N?
Okay.
Okay,
How,
one.
teacher, how do you write letter N? Can
Okay,
we
how-
see?
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Is this right? Is this right?
Teacher, we're done.
It's money.
This one.
Good job.
Me, teacher.
Oh, good job.
Okay, how about this one?
Good job.
Thank
Okay,
you,
okay.
teacher. How
Another
about
one.
the next
Ako, mamaliin din sa akin.
Letter M.
Maliin nila.
Paano yung letter M, teacher?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Wow! Mamaliin ko yun sa akin. Gawin ko.
Lexi, is this right?
How about me? Is this right? Is this one is letter M?
No.
What letter
How
is
about this one?
this?
Is this letter M?
Look at me.
Oh, okay. Yung teacher yun.
Hindi tulog. Okay.
I will show you to write
Okay, I'm
letter
sorry.
N.
Oh.
It's 1, it's 2, 3.
Okay.
Then,
Kanina M yung pinaparight niya. M na daw ngayon.
and or
Tignan natin kung tama yung sulat niya.
Tama yan, love.
Can we see, teacher?
see.
Where is that? Wow! Okay, can I
But
see?
this is not the letter M. This is the
N.
letter N.
Now.
Sabi niya nga N.
Pinasulat niya na yung N kanina.
Hindi, nagbago na isip niya N.
You write,
Wow!
you write letter N. Also, my
Okay.
Okay.
Letter
Is
what?
this right?
This one.
Yee!
This one, oh. This one, teacher.
Good job.
Okay, how about letter M?
This one, teacher. It's N. N. Is it right?
Maybe I will write you X.
X
X,
naman.
right?
X.
Naman letter X. Here's your paper, teacher. There's your
I'm
paper.
done, teacher.
Me too. I'm done. Paano yung letter X, teacher? Paano yung letter X?
1, 2.
How about in
Is
the
this
paper?
correct? Is this correct?
Can you write, teacher? Can you write it?
Okay. Wait lang, my little one. I can.
Huh?
This one,
No,
this
you
one.
can do it. Write the letter X.
Okay. Okay.
I'm the teacher.
Okay, okay.
Wow! Oh my gosh, teacher! You're so good.
I'm so good. Like this.
Okay, teacher, tell us.
Teacher,
to
what?
spell
Can you
word.
what did you say, teacher?
Do you want to dance?
Okay.
Everyone dance like me.
Okay, paano po yung dance, teacher?
I like that.
Teacher, pawis ka na po. You should punas your pawis in your head, teacher. Before you
Teacher, how about we do mathematics?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm sorry, you can.
Teacher, 1 plus 1, like that.
Do you want glitters? Me.
Kunwari nagchichikahan tayo, huwag tayo
how was your
makinig. Huwag tayo
day?
makinig sa kanya, rin
How was
natin
your
kung
day,
magagalit.
mommy?
How's your day?
Yeah, how about your
Guys,
daddy?
guys, you listen.
Oh.
Why?
You listen to the teacher.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you mad with us, teacher?
I'm mad always.
Are you mad always? Why are you mad?
You're always talking.
Oh, I'm sorry. Stop it na, ate. Teacher, we will listen to you na, so don't be mad, ha?
Who's this makeup? My little ones. What is this makeup?
It's a perfume.
It's a perfume, teacher.
Is it for you?
Yeah, thank you.
Here.
Thank you so much, teacher. Tahimik ang buhay. Walang maingay. Ayan si Ate Sab. Wala si Mike at si Lexi. Nag-mall sila. So, kami lang ang tao dito sa bahay. Tsaka si Sarah at si Mimi. Nakakamiss din pala yung maingay, no, Sab? No? Ang tagal nila nawala. Usually kasi pag nag-mall kami, kasama kami. Parang mga... Since 1 p.m., wala na si Mike tsaka si Lexi. Magsi 6 p.m. na. So, ang tagal na walang maingay. Nakakamiss din. Dapat pala max na yung 1 hour or 2 hours na wala si Lexi dito. Kasi nakakamiss din ang ingay niya dito sa bahay. Hello! Oh my gosh!
Nana, you open. Bought this.
What did you buy?
I buy this.
Pop! Sino ka dyan, girl? Ano yan? What is that? Can I see your medal? Can I see your medal? Good job. Ito yung kinuha yung card, pero di sumama kunin yung card. Oh, galing-galing naman ni ate. Pero hindi umattend ang recognition ng school nila dahil, di ba, ayaw magpa-aircon. Kaya di na tuloy siya umattend. Inabot sila ng siyam-siyam sa pagkuha ng card mo. Sabihin mo sa school mo, ayusin ang sistema. Ang dami daw nagalit na magulang. Lexi will wear naman the medal and then after that we'll open this one na.
I'm not so pretty.
And then you eat it like this. You bite
No
it.
eat na, no bite na. Si ate na lang. It's time to open the gift. Ate, help her open the gift. Wait only, ate will help you. Excited na ang baby.
I'm gonna open it.
Kiss your baby brother, kiss. Are you ready for your baby brother?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, you sit properly. Sit properly. And then you do your hand like this.
Other hand.
Like this, ah. Don't move, ah. And then you sing salamin, salamin for your baby brother. Like that. Like that. Don't move your,
Mommy.
Put the head like this.
Mommy.
Put it upwards. Oh, you sing na.
Mommy.
Why are you so...
me.
You put the head upwards.
Lexi, you put your arm like this.
Yeah.
You put your arm like this.
Salamat
Oh.
sa aking isang pagpin. Salamat sa aking pagkapagkasungin.
You sing Pantropiko.
Pantropiko.
To your baby brother.
Sa islang Pantropiko.
Lexi, I don't think you like that song.
Lalabay song na lang.
Lalabay. In good night. Angel.
Yay!
Yay! You hold your baby brother na. Ginugulo na naman niya. Ginigising. Hala. Sige. Tama na ang kiss.
He's so cute. Look at him.
Your baby's so cute.
Siya sa eye.
It's he. Lexi, di ba it's he?
He's have eyelashes.
Oh, yes, eyelashes.
And what else?
Eyebrows.
What else?
She has hair.
He has. He.
He has a
hair.
hair.
Like?
Lexi.
Mm-hmm.
He's so cute.
He's so cute.
She's sleeping.
He's sleeping.
She sleep.
Mm-hmm.
And she just did it.
Dede lang siya lagi.
She's moving.
He's
moving.
Ay, he's smiling. He's smiling.
Tumawa.
Tumawa siya.
He's happy.
Oh, this.
She's waking.
He's waking
She's
up.
waking.
He.
He's waking up.
Oh.
The baby's looking at you,
at
look,
you.
oh.
Say, hi, I'm your ate.
Hi, I'm your ate.
Oh.
Ay, sis. Uy.
Oh. I think he wants Dede na.
Yeah.
Beanie Lexi! Oh. So cute naman! Sumaside pa.
Oh, smile. Smile. Do you have a message for Beauty Derm?
Thank you, Beauty Derm. Miss Rhea Tan. Thank you.
Try it, come on.
Try it
Go
first.
try this.
Only this real one. Hold it.
Sit yummy.
Sige na, bigay mo.
Hold it.
Pause mo muna.
Nagagawa na.
Oh. And then share it to ate. Share it to ate naman. Oh, good job.
It's so yummy.
Okay.
Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy.